5 digital strategies that's going to help grow your business. Number 1, blogging with SEO in mind, search engine optimization. So blogging isn't writing what you did today, that's a diary. So if you take that approach to blogging and you don't already have an existing and loyal audience that hangs on to your every single word, then your business blog is going to be a ghost town and it's going to be a flop.
Are you wanting a kickstart on your business and you want to learn how to be the go-to professional in your industry? Well, guess what? I've got a free challenge for you. It's 5 days of coaching. It's brand new. Just go to KristaMashore.com/client conversion. That's KristaMashore.com/client conversion. And you'll get a free training with me for 5 straight days that's going to help kickstart you as the go-to professional in your industry. So sign up and I'll see you there.
So how do you fix this? How do you reach people? Well, write about the problems that your target customers are actually searching for. So for example, let's just say that you sell computer parts online. Chances are that your customers are actually going online and are searching for things like, why is my computer so slow? Or how to build a computer? Or how to speed up a computer? But here's the best part. You can actually help people solve these problems while you're actually integrating your products and services from your storefront in the content itself. So what do I mean by that? So for example, if you're a realtor, then instead of blogging about the latest industry award that nobody cares about that you actually won, write about the real world problems that your potential clients are actually searching for. Like things like how to invest in real estate, or how to buy a house with a bad credit score, or what credit score do you need to buy a house, and so many more. Does that make sense? Okay, number 2, video marketing on YouTube. YouTube is the world's 2nd largest search engine, and guess what? It's yet another place where people are actually searching for solutions to their problems. So let's take an example like this. Now, I'm not an expert, but I'm guessing that it's easier to pull off this look when you actually use the right makeup. So if you're a retailer of makeup and makeup accessories, or even just an affiliate of that, then you could easily create a video about this topic and recommend a few products in the process, if that makes sense. So 3rd, social media marketing. But you see, here's the problem. For most businesses, their social media marketing strategy can be summed up in just about one sentence. They keep posting boring updates and promotions to followers across every single channel. But here's the problem. If that's what you're doing, stop that right now. That's not what social media marketing strategy is. It's merely a way to waste time and to actually alienate your followers when you do it that way. Social media marketing, it's a very powerful way for businesses of all shapes and all sizes to reach prospects and customers. The idea is that your customer is already interacting with brands through social media. And if you're not speaking directly to your audience through your social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter and Instagram, TikTok and Pinterest, well, then you're missing out. Great marketing on social media actually can bring remarkable success to your business because what does it do? It creates devoted brand advocates and even drives leads and sales. You do this by developing a relationship with your client and with your customer using social media. You answer problems, you help them, you add value, you give them tips and tricks and hacks. You make their life better. Now, the best way to do this on social media is you absolutely need to know exactly who your client and customer is. Where are they going? What socioeconomic age are they? What are their interests? Who do they follow? What do they love? You need to know everything about them so that your content on social media can actually speak their language. That's a good social media content strategy. Number 4, podcasting. Now here's the deal. Creating a podcast is great for brand and audience building, but it can take a while for you to actually build traction and to get followers. However, getting interviewed on podcasts is a totally different story. You see, here's the deal. Podcasters are always looking out for interesting people to interview. So as long as you have some industry experience, whether it's online or offline, and you're actually willing to share some serious value on these podcasts, you've got what it takes. You see, the cool thing about podcasting, it's the only online content platform that allows for passive or indirect consumption. So what do I mean by that? In other words, people can actively listen and learn from a podcast while they're actually doing something else. Now, number 5 is paid ads. Paid ads through Facebook advertisements are a must when having a business, both locally or otherwise. It's great for local professionals. because Facebook's allow you to target a specific audience and actually reach the masses, not just reaching your friends and family when you utilize it correctly. You see, Facebook claims that they're about 89% accurate when it comes to actually targeted campaigns. Whether a business wants to target a completely new audience or an audience that's similar to its current audience, Facebook is absolutely flexible. Businesses, it's so awesome because businesses are able to target based upon location, demographics, interests, and other behaviors. You see, Facebook is so advanced in their targeting options, it's great for businesses and local professionals. So these options include things like targeting custom audiences, lookalike audience, and business website visitors, on and on and on. So having paid ads is a must to getting exposure for your business, no matter what business or profession that you're in. And if you'd like to know more about that, that's exactly what we specialize here. We teach people how to utilize Facebook to be the go-to expert in their area. So to find out more, just email us at Krista@KristaMashore.com. That's Krista@KristaMashore.com, or you can click the link below. So there you've got it. The 5 digital marketing strategies that's absolutely going to help your business grow faster than ever in any economy. And do me a favor, if you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so that you'll know when more content and videos come out. And everyone, I'm Krista Mashore with Krista Mashore Coaching. And remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do. Make it a great day. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.